Want to launch rockets for ISRO or want to be a part of such a renowned and reputed space research organization so that everyone can be proud of you. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get in ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, after class 12th and your college, irrespective you having a background of maths or bio. So we'll cover both of these things, in contrary to the popular opinion that people having biology background cannot go to ISRO or any other space research organizations. So stay in this video till the end to know a lot of truths and ways to get into ISRO as a scientist, researcher, technicians or engineer. Hello everyone, my name is Soumya, alumnus of Niser, Bhubaneswar. In this video, we're going to talk about how can you start your career in ISRO. Okay, so let's start with the people who have PCM background, which is very popular, right? So in your class 11th and 12th, you're coming from a PCM background. So typically you're preparing for JEE mains, advanced, or in case you're interested in research, you're also considering IIT and NEST or ISCS, right? So if you get into colleges like IITs, NITs, you can do your BTech from there in courses or branches like computer science, mechanical, chemical, electrical, electronics. After that, you can appear into exams conducted by ISRO Centralized Recruitment Board, after which you can either get selected as a scientist or an engineer, okay, in ISRO, and of course your career starts from here. Let's say you're a PCM background student, but you don't choose to pursue your BTech course. Rather, you're interested in research and you go on to pursue your BS course or BS-MS integrated course in any of the iisers or niser or ISCS, ISI, CMI kind of top research colleges, including ISC Bangalore, of course. So there, you continue your research in subjects like physics, chemistry, maths, bio, computer science, etc. After graduating from your MS course, you can appear for exams conducted by again ICRB, which is ISRO Centralized Recruitment Board, followed by a couple of interviews to get selected in ISRO as a researcher or a scientist. A bonus option, if you want to pursue research at ISRO, what you can also do is appear for GATE examinations, and many a times the entry channel is also based on the ranks that you get in exams like CSIR NET or GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test Examination. Okay, so that's how you can also get started as a researcher at ISRO. Now, the most important part of this video, why you're here, if you're a biology background. So suppose you have a PCB background in your class 11th and 12th, and everyone tells you that, okay, it's only possible to pursue MBBS or BS3 degree, right? And no way you can get into ISRO. So let me tell you the truth, that you can appear for iiser aptitude test for your BSMS or BTech courses, and you can get into iisers across the country, or niser or IACS Kolkata. Okay, you can pursue your BSMS degree in physics, chemistry, maths or bio. There is no restriction given your background in class 11th and 12th. And after that, you have an opportunity, my friend, to appear for the exam conducted by ICRB, okay, that recruits scientists or researchers and engineers at ISRO. So again, you have an option through ISRB, and you get selected in the exam. Interviews are conducted, couple of them, and after that you can successfully get recruited at ISRO as either a position of a researcher or as a scientific officer C, which is a very reputed gazetted post, and you get all the government perks, including a very handsome salary and all the other things that you can expect from a top-notch government job. Okay, a bonus tip is, if you are a BTech student from IIST Trivandrum, which is Indian Institute of Space Technology, then you have a chances of directly getting recruited into ISRO as an engineer, right? So these are pretty much the options that you can explore. Number one, recap, I told you, if you're a BTech student, you have completed your BTech, you can appear into GATE or ICRB. If you're a research student, let's say you have done your BSMS, you can get into research by GATE or NET, or you can get into ISRO as a scientific officer by ICRB exam. Now, if you're a PCB student, you can finish your BSMS courses, you can appear into again exams like GATE or ICRB examination by ISRO to get recruited as a scientific officer, C, or a researcher again. Okay, so with that, I hope that this video was helpful to you, and I definitely wish that many of you fulfill your dream of becoming a scientific officer or as a scientist at ISRO and launch rockets, satellites, and much more, okay, to serve the nation and the world. With that, if you have any career related problems, you can fill the career counseling call. We hold them 3 days a week. The form will be available in the description. You can fill that and directly meet me, okay, in a Google Meet call and discuss your problems and queries with me. Okay, with that, all the very best. See you in the next video.